Hello and welcome to Futureneer. We are going to learn about HDMI and how to pick the best cable for Xbox Series X and the PlayStation 5. HDMI stands for High Definition Multimedia Interface. Now, what's the difference between standard and high-speed cables? The 1.4, 2.0 and 2.1. 1.4 support 4K at 30 Hz, 2.0 support 4K at 60, 2.1 support 4K at 120 Hz or 8K at 60 Hz. Now, what does Hertz mean? Hertz means cycle per second. For example, 120 Hz means 120 screen refresh per second. What does 4K mean? It's a resolution measure of about 8.3 million pixels. Now back to our question, how to get the best possible resolution for PS5 and Xbox. Assuming both of them support 4K at 120 Hz, so the best possible cable would be the 2.1 to support that 4K at 120 frames per second. And you can find the direct buy link from Amazon in the description below. You also have to check your TV 4K and Hertz support, because most of the 4K TVs do not support 120 Hz, at least until the moment. If it does not support the 120, either you get a new TV or 2.0 would be enough.